YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy Young Rich 419 back with another video, man. You see this beautiful thing right here? Just got this buffed out. The whole car buff, whole car 2-stage buff, man. You know what I mean? I'm gonna throw a clip at the end of the video so y'all can see this mug hitting in the gas station lights, man. And a couple pictures hitting it like when it's cloudy out. But yeah, man, this is your boy Young Rich, man. See the Impala on these 24s. Yes, sir. On them 24s, looking oh so clean. It's a tad bit dusty, but it's cool. The Durango's gone right now, but you know we got the clean Malibu though. The clean Malibu looking like a basic bitch. Hey, I wonder if this bird up here. It's a cardinal up here. Y'all see it? See the nest? See if I can zoom in. Can y'all see it? It should be right there. He up there. He or she up there. Probably a she. I don't want to step too close. Yeah. Got my own bird's nest, man. You feel me? But yeah, let's take another look at the LTZ. Yeah. That mud's so nasty. That mud's so nasty with the guts. That mud's so nasty. But yeah, we'll be there. This is what we doing today. Put the camera around. This is the wrong wiring, but you know I got the other one. I just wired it up. But we doing an SRT light, man. Yes, we doing an SRT light. Wiring is done. I just cut the old one off. The old plug is over here. Also, we're gonna show y'all the engine bay painted on the Magnum, man. You know what I'm saying? But the reason why I had to get this 2-stage buff, you know what I mean? Because when I took it to the paint shop, it was just overspray all over the car, man. Especially on the hood and the fenders. And there was a tad bit down here. There's a couple on the hood. So my dude just went and just did the whole car, man. 2-stage correct the whole car, man. Now that mug blast. But yeah, y'all see what we got going on right here. SRT light on deck working. I did have a problem with this box right here though. I think the wiring, this black wire, was getting basically smashed. It was kind of cutting off circulation, you know. But we good, man. As of right now, you see. You know what I'm saying? I can't really change the colors right now because I'm on my phone. You know, it's by Bluetooth. So we got that done. You see the engine bay. Yeah. We're gonna put this out though so y'all can really see it though. We're gonna pull it out so y'all can really see it. He did a great job, man. So besides that, what else besides that, man? Probably put that Durango light on sometime later on this week, man. You feel me? So yeah, that's that. Man, I'm still waiting to find this Riviera subframe, man. Still trying to find this thing, man. Still ain't nobody hit me back yet. It is what it is though, man. You know, we keep it float, gang though. Keep it float, gang though. I got my keys in my Impala. Yeah, I do. It's a little bugged up, dirty up a little bit. Yeah. Guess I ain't got my keys, man. But look how dusty it is. And it's fucking birds, man. Fucking bird nest up there in that corner, bro. All they do is come out that mug and take shits, man. See my keys at. Her sleep. Nah, I ain't going nowhere. Relax. Relax. Yeah, man, you see the Impala, man. The peanut butter guts, man. Yes, sir. Looking oh so clean. But yeah, we're gonna put a we're gonna pull the Magnum out and think that should I move this car? Nah, I'm gonna leave it just like this for now. I'm gonna pull the Magnum out though, and so y'all can see this engine bay, man. I ain't see this how this car is hitting in the sun, man. After the 2-stage correction, man. You feel me? Yeah. All right, YouTube. Magnum out. Let y'all take a look at this, man. Got me right, man. Got me right. Got me right. But yeah, let y'all take a look at this hood, man, right quick. Let y'all take a look at this hood. Here we go. Yes, sir. Got me good. Got me painted down in there. Strut bar sprayed up. You know what I'm saying? Got me all good down there, man. Got me right, man. Looks hella good, man. Like for real. Looks hella good. Flipping. Everything flipping. I just need to clean up the engine bay right quick because you see some overspray right here. May get probably most likely end up getting the cover for this. Spray that. Has to probably add some more covers up around here. You know what I mean? This is like overspray on this too, for real. Clean this up. But this, I don't know about spraying. Think about putting a future intake on here. Put a bigger intake on there, man. So you should be extra. And I think the one I want is chrome. If I don't put a supercharger in here, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, you see it though, man. He got me good. He got me right, man. In and out one day. In and out one day. You feel me? But yeah, dust flakes everywhere. Oh, that's the compound. I gotta roll that off. But yeah, man. My boy hooked me up 2-stage, man. This mug is glass now. This mug is glass. Yeah, y'all see these two together. Y'all see these two together, man. Fucking bird shit, man. Dusty old pallet, man. But yeah. Also, if y'all ain't seen my other video, man. Y'all ain't seen my other video. I do have the my interior part that I've been saying for the longest. My interior part is finally done. Oh man. Which the part I already said in my last video for the Impala, man. So if y'all ain't watching all my videos, you just come for the Impala, or you just come for the Rango, or you just come for the Magnum, or you just come for the Ribby Coupe, you know what I'm saying? Hey, it's coming. It's done. Custom steering wheel, LED lights, digital, all that on the steering wheel, you know what I'm saying? It's coming, man. It's finally on its way. It's probably gonna get shipped out. I record this video. It's probably gonna get shipped out sometime this week, man. And hopefully it'll be here and install that. I got a lot of time off now, so guess what? Maybe we get them 6-piston Brembos on, man. You feel me? So we can get them 6-piston Brembos. So I got everything I need now. So now, only thing I really don't want to do is probably the bleeding process of it. Shouldn't have to bleed the backs, man. Probably just bleed the fronts, man. Should not have to bleed the bleed the backs. I'm gonna holler at my boy though, and I'll look at my other dude on YouTube who did the 6-piston upgrade, see what he did, what he didn't have to do. So that's it, man. After that, man, them 6 pistons going on. We gonna be good, and it is what it is, man. So like I said, custom steering wheel on the way. Custom steering wheel on the way. And that's gonna get installed. I'm gonna install that probably first, like before I do my Brembo brakes. But you see it, man. 26s, 24s, man. Yes, sir. Y'all like, y'all share, y'all subscribe to the channel, man. I really appreciate it. Young Rich 419. Peace.